Today I'm going to show you how to hem your pants to take them from this to this without sewing, so let's get started. Start by measuring out the length you want your pants to be by folding up the pants and pinning the length in place. Once both legs are pinned in place, make sure they are the same length, which you can do by measuring or by folding the pants lengthwise and making sure the bottoms align together. Next, iron where you folded to create a crease so you know where to cut. Turn the pants inside out, unfold the pant leg, and cut about 1/4 inch under the iron crease. Now fold up the rough edge, then fold the rough edge in again and iron it down to create a clean look. And repeat these same steps on the other side. Place a piece of cardboard in the pant leg to ensure you don't glue the pant leg closed. Then grab your Speedo fabric glue and apply an even layer of glue along the rough edge and in the folded area. Fold the rough edge in, then fold again, and apply pressure and repeat on the other side and let it dry for about an hour. And just like that, you hemmed your pants without sewing. Speedo is permanent fabric glue, so you can wash and dry your pants normally. If you have any other questions, comment them down below. Thanks for watching.